Hi guys, got some good news and some bad news. The good news is I've had my window and door done, so I've just got the tiling left to do now. Bad news is Baxter's been a little bit ill recently. I bought him a toy and he chewed it to bits and he swallowed a lot of it, and then he started to be sick, so I took him to the vets. They gave him x-rays and he's got bits in him. Hopefully it'll work its way through, but his belly's been shaved. Bless him. You're a good boy. Anyway, it's time to announce the winner of the NANOPRESSO with the NS adapter and all the Nespresso pods, courtesy of the guys at the Operators Coffee Club. I spent ages trying to think of a way of doing a decent giveaway, something to do with coffee and just be fun for you guys. And then it came to me. What if I used my digital scales and coffee grinds to pick a winner? So I got your names and sorted them alphabetically and then separated you into odds and evens. Then yesterday I went out with Baxter and we had a lovely day walking through the meadows. Took the NANOPRESSO with me. I had to get myself a pastry as well, of course. And then what I did was I got my scales out, ground the beans, tipped it on the scales. If it was an odd number, the odds win, they go through, and then I split you again to odds and evens and so on and so on. I did advanced mathematics and I worked out I'd need about 7 or 8 grinds to get down to the 3 winners from the 135, and it worked really well. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and good luck to all of you. Let's crack on with the draw. So guys, there you go. There's the 3 winners: Leisha, MR and Manny. And the runner-up, Magnus. You got close, mate. But you never know, if one of those 3 don't come through or don't respond, then I'm going to bump you up to the winner. Okay? For the rest of you, better luck next time. There'll definitely be more giveaways, so look out for those. And hope you enjoyed the video. I'll tell you what, all this bloody editing to get these names up on the left and right took me half a day. I'm not very good at video editing, so it was a real task for me to do it. I could have been lazy, but I thought no, I want to make the effort for you guys, so I did, because I like you all, and it's a good giveaway. Just on that note, remember it was these guys at the Operators Coffee Club that came through and gave all these products for me to give away to you, so show them some love if you can. I'll put their links in the description. See this product here, it's actually a prototype. It's a holder for your espresso capsules. Keeps them dry, protects them basically. and you could also use it as a club if you ever got into trouble. And they've actually just launched a Kickstarter, so I'll put that link there too if any of you are interested in getting a bomb-proof Nespresso capsule container. Check it out. Anyway guys, that's it. I'll be back soon. I've actually got a new portable coffee product. I think it's called the Espresso. Anyway, it looks quite good. So I'll be back soon. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll leave you some footage of me and Baxter out yesterday in the meadows.
Bax, come here. Bax, come here.
He's friendly. Bax, come out the way.
Come here, boy. Come here.
Yeah.
What's his name? Baxter. Right. Stop drooling. Go on then. What's it? Squeeze her. Squeeze her.